The central coast of New South Wales, including Sydney, will see continued rainfall today, adding to the ongoing major flooding situation. Our satellite picture shows this rotation, which is the east coast low that moved across the Hunter Coast late yesterday. Even though that system is now weakening, we do continue to have clouds streaming over the coast of New South Wales and bringing showers mostly south of Sydney at this stage, but they will continue to move northwards into the evening. In the 24 hours to 9 a.m, our heaviest rainfall occurred between the Hunter and the Illawarra region, with widespread falls of 50 to 150 millimetres. The highest rainfall recorded was 185 millimetres at Beaumont and Brogers Creek, and this is in addition to over 300 millimetres in some locations in the previous 24-hour period. In fact, Brogers Creek between 9 a.m. on Friday and 9 a.m. this morning recorded 773 millimetres. So with heavy rainfall like that, we do have flood warnings across much of New South Wales. In particular, major flooding is occurring in the Hawkesbury-Nepean River system, and we could also see major flooding developing in the Macquarie River by Wednesday. There's also numerous minor to moderate flood warnings across New South Wales, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings. And if you're travelling for the school holidays, make sure you change your location in the BOM app and enable push notifications, so you'll get the latest warnings for your location sent straight to your mobile device as soon as they're issued. A severe weather warning is also current for heavy rainfall from the Hunter Coast down to the Illawarra, and this is for heavy rainfall that could lead to flash flooding. We could see rainfall rates over 3 hours of up to 50 to 75 millimetres. In addition, there was a severe weather warning for damaging wind gusts. However, this has been cancelled, but it's important to remember that windy conditions continue and saturated soils mean that we could still see trees toppling. We also have a severe weather warning for damaging surf for a similar area, and this is for large surf that may lead to coastal erosion and localised damage along the coast. Even though this is easing and we are expecting that warning to be cancelled this afternoon, we will see hazardous surf conditions for the marine environment continue for a number of days. Looking at our forecast wind and rain, that east coast low disappears quite quickly, but onshore flow will mean that we have showery conditions continuing right along the east coast for most of the rest of the week. Our total forecast rainfall shows that we are expecting widespread falls of 50 to 100 millimetres today, and some cases we could see up to 100 to 150 millimetres today. The good news is that the rain does ease to showers tomorrow and over the rest of the week, and even though it does extend up into the northern parts of the state, we are not expecting rainfall totals that would give us flooding concerns through the northern rivers at this stage. Looking at our wave heights, even though we did see that east coast low weaken and the damaging surf conditions ease, we do have strong waves pushing into the New South Wales coast over coming days due to a low pressure system out in the Tasman Sea. This will give us hazardous surf conditions, and a hazardous surf warning is current, and this is for dangerous conditions for marine users such as swimmers, surfers, boaters and rock fishers. It's important to remember that flooding does continue after the rain has eased. So for the next few days, please stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings from the Bureau on our app, website and social media channels. Make sure you enable push notifications on your phone so you'll get the latest warnings straight to your mobile device. Follow all advice from emergency services and please stay safe.